I used to be the person working behind the scenes, running Facebook ads and creating various offers, all while remaining relatively unknown. However, I've come to realize the crucial significance of building a personal brand and being present on camera and across social media platforms. Continue watching to know the structure, the mindset and the AI help with your content creator journey. My name is Lupascu and I'm currently in the process of establishing an online presence, so let's dive straight to the point. As much as we may dislike the world of social media, new technologies continue to emerge every day, making it essential to have an influence in this domain if you want to achieve something significant or go beyond average. It's true, you can survive without it, but it's highly probable that you will find greater success by establishing a social media presence and leveraging all the advantages it offers. We have 8 billion people on the planet and 6 billion are on social media. All I'm saying is, in the next 10 years, can you get 3,000 of them to buy something worth $3,000? That's 9 million in revenue. Most people will never make that kind of money. Now, in order to have 3,000 advocates, you need to reach about 300,000 and that is gonna take you time. Now let's consider the most effective, efficient and budget-friendly method to reach a target audience of 300,000 people. The answer lies in leveraging the power of online platforms, building your personal brand and creating compelling content that resonates with others. As we have already discussed the significance of a content creation, let's explore the most impactful and widely consumed form of content, which is video. Yeah, probably the written format is better for you, maybe audio podcasts, but it's crucial to understand that the video content encloses both of these formats and offers numerous advantages. Especially today, you can easily extract audio or text from a video within seconds using AI. First thing I wish I understood earlier is that everything has its own timing. So don't get confused when you are just getting started and comparing yourself to experienced content creators. Their strategies may not work for you and can even stop your progress. For example, let's say Alec Hormozy suggests posting daily on various platforms like Instagram, Facebook Reels, and YouTube Shorts. However, if you don't have the habit of creating consistent content daily, attempting this approach can lead to burnout and disappointment. It's important to recognize that your skills and habits need time to develop. It's far better to start by uploading a video once a week and gradually increase your frequency over time. Learning and growing at your own pace is the key to long-term success, rather than rushing to upload multiple videos a day without the necessary foundation. This principle applies not just to content creation but to absolutely everything. After you understood that you have to develop the skills and habits to get where you want with your journey, now it's important to create content with what you have and upgrade it while you are making progress. It's exactly like becoming a new driver. After you get your driver's license, normally you will try to get a simple car to get some experience. You won't think about any further like how it is to have 10 years of driving experience. You will stick with a small action, maybe side parking, maybe acceleration, and you will get excited and progress with your driving. The same is here with content creation, and the same is with any progress as I have seen in human history. Next, you could go into finding your niche, finding what you are the best at and delivering that to your interested audience. I really believe that advice on how to make a better title is very good, while understanding the logic of how to build a structure that you can follow on your content creation journey is more important. And in that structure, you will find the answers needed for you. This is what this video was made for, but other specific answers you will find with ease. Don't fool yourself with fancy gear at the beginning. Start learning what actually creates a good video, how to set up a home studio on a budget, how to record using natural light, how to edit your videos in the simple method. And if excuses come into your mind, you don't have free space for them. The main challenge I faced when starting a YouTube channel was how to speak in English when I didn't have a complete understanding of the language.
Kein Problem, Mainski is good prepared.
And still made mistakes. But now with all the tools available, everything is possible and easier than before. Now after watching this video, you have the right attitude and the right structure. It's time to write it down and start acting on it. If you enjoyed this video, don't miss out on the best 5 self-grow books that can help in your journey. Watch it here.